Let's dive into the details that make the HUUM Hive and the Hive Mini the perfect choice for your sauna. These heaters are available in multiple kilowattage options to suit saunas of all sizes. The Hive is ideal for a larger setup, while the Hive Mini is perfect for smaller, cozier spaces. Electrical requirements? Both models run efficiently with clear wiring instructions provided for easy installation. These come in 6 kilowatt, 9, 10.5, 12, 15, and 18 kilowatt options, and they can cover a sauna ranging anywhere from 176 to 1,236 cubic feet. It comes in 240 volt single phase power for between 25 to 75 amps. What really sets them apart is their large stone capacity, which can range anywhere between 374 to 595 pounds of stones, depending if it's the Hive Mini or the Hive. Maintenance is a breeze with removable elements that make cleaning and repair simple, so you can focus on enjoying your sauna. Want to learn more? Please feel free to leave us a question in the comment section. Otherwise, head over to the Sauna Place to see how the HUUM Hive and the Hive Mini can transform your sauna experience.